PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday morning, the 28th of November, the day after Thanksgiving. Many of you are not having to go to work today, but we've got a very interesting forecast, so we are busy at work trying to figure out when the rain will come, how cold the air will be Sunday and Monday, and will we see snow flurries around here. Let's go right to some of the Skycam images this morning. First off, a look at downtown Birmingham. Getting a little foggy there. We've got temperatures are sitting around the dew points, and so it's cloudy and foggy starting off the day. There's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. Yeah, that's Bryant-Denny Stadium, where the Alabama-Auburn game will kick off tomorrow at 2:30, and that's the hardest part of the forecast. Will it rain at that game? And we'll talk about that. And down in Shelby County, there's our Skycam on the campus of the University of Montevallo. Well, there's the deal. We've got a cold polar vortex over eastern Canada. Got a trough coming out of the southwest United States, always a problematic setup. And we'll look at the radar this morning, and you can see areas of rain to the west of the state. Some rain has crossed the line, but it's pretty spotty, and you sure get the idea that today the rain will be light and spotty. We'll mention just scattered light rain and nothing beyond that. The better rain should come tonight and tomorrow. Now, I think this is overdone. It seems like it's been trending that way for the past couple of weeks with these rain events. This is the QPF graphic from HPC. The expected rain valid through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, and this thing has ramped up the rain over north-central Alabama to nearly 2 inches. And I think the amounts are going to be storm total amounts between 1/2 and 1 inch. Yes, down south, I do think they could see some heavier rain south of Montgomery, but we'll see. Again, these are kind of tough to call. We'll look at the modeling here. This is the 06ZGFS, the latest run I have in hand, valid at noon today. And again, polar vortex over Canada, trough over the southwest United States, and little ripples will come out of that southwest trough. Today, the most widespread rain should be over the southern part of the state. Of course, having said that, we'll mention the chance of some light rain today, but that rain should become more widespread tonight as the dynamic lift improves. And then tomorrow, it looks like the GFS is developing a broad 1,008 millibar low just about right on top of us. And again, there has been some hint that the best rain could come tomorrow morning, with the rain diminishing tomorrow afternoon. A very real possibility, but when it comes to try and time this thing out for the football game, it's hard to totally rely on that. So we are going to mention a good chance of some rain during the Alabama-Auburn game tomorrow, so take the rain gear. Is there a chance the rain will taper off by game time? Absolutely. No doubt it's going to rain tomorrow morning. The question is, when will it diminish? And again, looking at that, you have to think the rain could linger at least into the first half. So we'll still mention a good chance of rain for the game. Sunday, the trough begins to phase up, and that's starting to look cold. And down below that, you can see the 540 thickness line by midday coming on down toward Birmingham. And that might be a day with falling temperatures. Now, we could start off in the 50s maybe Sunday morning and wind up in the 40s Sunday afternoon. A strong north wind, a little light rain or drizzle. And you talk about cold. Come on now. Look at Monday. Wow. Big deep trough right on top of us. Down below that, the 540 thickness line is way down in the Gulf of Mexico. That suggests some wraparound snow flurries Sunday night and Monday morning. And I'd also suggest we'll probably have a hard time getting out of the 30s on Monday with an icy north wind, and the wind chill index could be below freezing much of the day. How about that to go back to work? Tuesday morning will be cold, but we'll start to warm up Tuesday afternoon as we get back up in the 50s. And by Wednesday of next week, we'll be close to 60. Here comes a weak front to the northwest, and by Thursday, that thing kind of gets in here and fizzles out. So there could be a little light rain with that feature, maybe Wednesday night or Thursday of next week, but it certainly doesn't look like a big deal. And then a week from today, that looks cool and dry. And for the following weekend, December the 6th, the moisture increases, southerly flow there, and some rain off to the west. And then on Sunday, the 7th, the cold front kind of pushing in here. But again, this is getting out there into voodoo country. We're well beyond 7 days. Into the forecast cycle on the 13th of December. Active zonal flow across the country. That's not really tapping any super cold air, and that shows a cold front dropping down in through here. But as we all know, that could change, and it probably will change. We're just looking. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We're on a holiday schedule, just one video per day until Monday. Brian Peters will have these videos tomorrow and Sunday. Back to the 2-a-day schedule Monday. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. So catch us on the news tonight. I'll be working ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Have a wonderful rest of the Thanksgiving holiday weekend, and God bless.